So guys, I just discovered I've not shared this amazing AI tool with you guys. It's the Meta AI. So it's not just useful on WhatsApp and other Mark Zuckerberg apps. It is absolutely amazing on this website called Meta AI. It allows you to actually generate images, even realistic images, cartoons, restyle them, edit them, turn them into animations and videos and all that with your prompts. Guys, this platform is mind blowing. Let me show you how this platform works. So guys, this is Meta AI. All you need to do is to go to meta.ai and then you can sign in with your Instagram or your Facebook account. This particular platform is owned by the owner of Facebook and Instagram. So this is so amazing. So guys, when you log in, this is typically what you can see. You can see on the left hand side, you have your new chat, vibes and create. If you want to generate something like an image or a video, you click on create and then it's going to load up something like this for you. Now you can see you have the option of doing an image or a video. So if you click on where you can see this image down here, you have option of creating an image or a video. If you're creating the image, you can change the dimension and how you want it to be, and then if you pick on the video option, you can simply upload the image and then describe what you want the AI to do for you. So let's start with the image. So we can do something like realistic, beautiful, black, British woman wearing a jean and pink top, standing on the street. So pretty much anything you want to do, and then let's just leave it at this ratio and then we're going to send it, and you can see it's going to give us 4 options once it finishes generating. So let's just wait and see what it would give us. Guys, just take a look at this. Isn't this amazing? This is beautiful. So take a look at this. This is so good. And then you have option of restyling or you simply animate. This is so good. And then when you're done, just click on this button. Just click on this button over here and then you can download. This is so cool, guys. You can check other ones as well. And check other generations that it gave you. So basically just whatever you want to prompt, and you can see how realistic the images look like. So we're just going to download this and then we're going to test run how the video one works as well. So you click on the video and then we're going to upload the image that we just downloaded. So I'm just going to click on this and then open. And then we can do something like she is walking down the street. Yeah, so something like this, and then we click on animate and then we wait for it to animate. This platform is so good, especially if you're into storytelling or if you want to start like a new kid story channel. This is so good because it does simple animations and then it gives you the most amazing images. So we're just going to wait for our video to finish generating and then I'll show you what it can do. So guys, take a look at this. This is so cool. This is so nice, and you can add music, you can do different kind of styles. It is so cool. I really love this platform. I think that it's going to be mind-blowing and amazing to use. So that is what you can do on here. So guys, this is mind-blowing. You can also use it to create like your animations and cartoons like that if you're into children's stories. So you saying something like create a 3D Pixar style cartoon of a young boy about 5 years old playing with a puppy at the park. Yeah, something like this, and then let's generate and see what it can give us. So this is going to be so cool, especially because it is unlimited and it is free. Who doesn't like a freebie? Guys, just take a look at this. Isn't this cute? This is so cute. And it gave us 4 options as always. So these are so cool. And then you can just go ahead and come to your right hand side, click on animate or click on custom animate, and then it's going to animate this image into a video. So you can do this for your kid stories and then just add like a voiceover or something. This will be so good, and it is monetizable everywhere. Really good niche, and it is also currently trending. Guys, just take a look at what it generated without me even customizing. So you can customize this to your own taste and see how it goes. So this platform is a must use, and because it's free, it's absolutely amazing. So let me know what you feel in the comments. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe because I drop educational videos like this every week. Thank you, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.